Ja, Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make a clean professional resume and CV using Canva. Yeah, it's super easy, and by the end, you'll have something ready to download or send off. So let's jump right in. First thing, go ahead and sign into Canva with your email, Google, or whatever you normally use. If you don't have an account, you can create one in just a few seconds. All right, once you're inside Canva, look at the search bar and type in resume or CV. Canva has thousands of templates, so you can choose something simple or something more modern. Go ahead and pick a template that fits your style. If you're making a CV for a job in tech or design, choose something minimal. If it's for academic stuff, choose something more structured. Now just click any text box and replace the default info with your own. Add your name, your role, your experience. Yeah, everything you want. You can type directly or copy and paste if you already have your details typed out. You can also tweak the colors, fonts, spacing, whatever helps your resume look clean. Try to keep it readable though. Like, don't use wild fonts just because they look cool. If you need extra sections, maybe skills, certifications, or a portfolio link, just click Elements or duplicate a text block. Canva makes it pretty flexible. When you're done, click the Share button, choose Download, and select PDF. That's usually the best format for resumes. Give it a name and download it to your device. And that's pretty much it. You just made a full resume or CV in Canva. Super quick, super clean. If you want more Canva or job application tips, you can check out the next videos. All right, thanks for watching.